Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-off yan eh. Okay, peeps. Since nag-off na siya kanina, have to end the live now. Kanta pa ako ng kanta kanina. Pag tingala ko, naka-off na pala yung phone ko. Peeps. Okay, since gabing-gabi na, puyat na tayong lahat. Next time na lang ulit. Anyway, thank you so much to all our lapis, to all our lovely lapis, my peeps, for all the love and the support, everything. I appreciate it a lot. We appreciate it a lot. So, let's keep going forward together. Okay? Okay? I just wanted to celebrate our anniversary with you. Kaya nag-live ako. But, yeah, anyway, if you guys have any requests, like gusto nyong mag-cover ako ng songs with guitar or something, I mean, I'm still practicing guitar and interested din akong matuto mag-piano, like to actually learn it. So, but don't expect anything. Don't expect too much. But I'm gonna try for you guys. So, okay, if you guys want something, just comment it because I see it all the time and I'll see it anyway. So, and I'll try to do it. Okay? Okay? Oh, yung guitar nga pala, ABC, Twinkle Twinkle, ano nga yun? Bahay Kubo, tsaka, meron pang isa eh. Anyway, pag-iisipan ko yun. Or siguro sa next live, yun yung magko-concert tayo ng alphabet. Okay, happy 2nd anniversary to Lapilus and of course to Lapis. Bye peeps, good night. 10 minutes na lang tapos na ang January, ang June 20. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this day. I enjoyed it. Looking through sa schedule na ginawa ko today, and I'm glad that everyone is celebrating the Wi-Fi. Okay, bye peeps! Mwah! Love you! Ang ganda sana ng ending ko. Hindi ko naman alam paano i-end. Wait lang ah. Dapat pala pinanindigan ko na lang na nag-off yung phone ko. Peeps, pwedeng patulong. Alin ba pinipindot? X? I'm just gonna press X, okay? Bye, peeps! Love you! Mwah! Ciao, Lapis! Muchas gracias! Lapis, 감사합니다. 감사합니다. 사랑해요. Huwag niyo turuan. Okay, I'm just gonna press X.